Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best DJI Mini 3 filters are probably one of the most essential accessories for any drone pilot looking to elevate their aerial videography and photography, allowing for stunning cinematic shots even in challenging lighting conditions. These specialized filters can dramatically improve image quality by reducing glare, enhancing colors, and ensuring proper exposure, ultimately transforming your footage from good to absolutely breathtaking. If you're serious about capturing professional-looking content with your DJI Mini 3, investing in a quality set of filters is a decision you won't regret, as they unlock a new level of creative control and visual fidelity. Number 5. Freewell All-Day 6-Pack Filters for Mini 3 Pro Mini 3. Capture stunning aerial footage with our All-Day Filter 6-Pack. This set is designed to enhance your photography and videography. Experience true-to-life colors with our industry-leading optics. They ensure your footage is captured with perfect, neutral colors every time. Fly with confidence thanks to our gimbal-safe technology. Each filter frame is rigorously tested to be lightweight, ensuring it won't affect your drone's gimbal performance. Our filters feature a special coating that protects against dust, scratches, and oil. This ensures you get the best possible image quality, even in challenging outdoor conditions. This kit is specifically curated for long-exposure photography. It includes a range of ND filters to help you achieve creative effects. Keep your filters safe and organized with the included robust filter case. Each filter has its own protected space. What we like. Experience true color neutrality with industry-renowned optics. Its gimbal-safe technology ensures your drone's gimbal is unaffected. If you are looking for filters designed for long-exposure photography, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Plus, they are an additional layer of protection for the drone's lens. It is easy to install and remove. These filters are not just cheap-coated but real iotical glass. They do not distort ND recording either in picture or video modes. Makes a big difference on bright sunny days and helps bring out color on my shots. Number 4. K&F Concept Mini 3 Pro Variable ND Filters Kit. Introducing the K&F Concept Variable ND Filters Kit, designed specifically for your Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro drones. Achieve the perfect exposure in any lighting condition. This kit includes two filters, ND2-32 offering 1 to 5 stops and ND32-512 providing 5 to 9 stops of light reduction. Easily adjust them to match your shooting environment. Crafted with imported AGC optical glass, these filters ensure no compromise on image quality. Experience true-to-life colors in every shot. Our ultra-lightweight technology guarantees these filters won't affect your drone's gimbal. Weighing only 1.5 grams, they are designed for seamless operation. Featuring 28 multi-layer coatings, they minimize glare and flares. They are also waterproof, scratch-resistant, dust-proof, and oil-proof, protecting your lens. The package contains one ND2-32 filter and one ND32-512 filter, giving you a versatile set for all your aerial photography needs. What we like. Achieve precise light control with variable ND filters offering 1 to 9 stops of adjustment. Crafted with imported AGC optical glass for pristine image quality. If you need versatile light reduction for various shooting conditions, these are ideal. What people say. The filters are easy to install and remove, snapping on securely without any wobble. The ND filters effectively reduce shutter speed in bright sunlight, allowing for smoother cinematic footage. The included case keeps the filters organized and protected when not in use. Number 3. MINGVEN ND PL Filters for DJI Mini 4 Pro. Elevate your drone photography with our advanced ND PL filter set. Designed for the DJI Mini 4 Pro, these filters help you achieve professional-looking shots in any lighting condition. This comprehensive 6-pack includes CPL, ND8PL, ND16PL, ND32PL, ND64PL, and ND256PL filters. You'll have the perfect tool for every shooting scenario, from bright daylight to challenging reflections. Crafted from high-quality AGC glass sourced from the US, our filters offer exceptional clarity and true color reproduction. They are also waterproof, oil-proof, dust-proof, and scratch-resistant for lasting performance. The snap-on design makes replacing these filters a breeze. Simply unscrew the original lens cap and hand tighten our filter for a secure fit, all without affecting your drone's gimbal. Say goodbye to overexposure and unwanted highlights. These filters allow you to adapt to changing light conditions, ensuring your aerial footage is always perfectly exposed and vibrant. Our upgraded packaging box provides a secure and convenient way to store your filters when not in use. Keep your lenses protected and organized between flights. What we like. Capture stunning shots with a versatile set of NdPl filters, including a polarizing option. Enjoy effortless installation with the snap-on design. If you want to enhance colors and reduce glare in bright conditions, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The CPL is not fixed, it rotates to allow for adjustment of the polarizer angle. Some drone camera CPLs are not adjustable. Each filter is clearly marked with high contrast lettering. No noticeable patterns, vignetting, added softness or distracting color casts. These produce a clean image with a bump in saturation, particularly in blue skies. The ND filters look super premium and performs as good as the original DJI ND filters, highly recommend. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Series ND Filter Set. Introducing the DJI Mini 3 Series ND Filter Set. This set includes ND16, ND64, and ND256 filters. These filters are designed to help you adapt to strong lighting conditions. Always be ready for the perfect shot, no matter the brightness. They meet your needs in scenarios requiring long exposure or shooting against strong light. This is ideal for capturing stunning long exposure time-lapses. This set is fully compatible with both the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI Mini 3. Inside the box, you will find one ND16 filter, one ND64 filter, and one ND256 filter. What we like. Adapt to strong lighting conditions with these essential ND filters. They are perfect for capturing the perfect shot, especially in scenarios requiring long exposure. If you need reliable filters for challenging light, these are a solid option. What people say. These are great for shooting footage outside or in bright environments. They click onto the camera easily and seem very durable. Includes ND256 filter, which is perfect for with Mini 3 Pro's f1.7 lens, slows shutter to 1/30 seconds for motion blur. Also, storage case slips easily into the Mini's small, ninja-like, bag. Mit den Drehabstuffungen sind alle Wetterbedingungen abgedeckt. Die Qualität ist gut, habe ich von einem DJI-Produkt allerdings auch nicht erwartet. Number 1. Neewer ND Filter Set for DJI Mini 3 Mini 3 Pro. Introducing the Neewer ND Filter Set, designed specifically for your DJI Mini 3 and Mini 3 Pro drones. This comprehensive set enhances your aerial photography capabilities. Crafted from aviation aluminum alloy with a CNC non-slip design, these filters are incredibly lightweight at just 1.2 g. They attach and detach easily without affecting your drone's calibration or balance. Experience stunning visuals with imported AGC HD optical glass. The 30-layer nanocoating reduces glare and ghosting, blocks UV rays, and ensures accurate color reproduction while being waterproof, oil-proof, and scratch-proof. The CPL filter boosts color and contrast, especially for skies and water. Easily remove glare from reflective surfaces to capture clearer, more detailed images. Utilize the ND filters to reduce shutter speed in bright conditions. This allows you to control the amount of light hitting the sensor, achieving the natural motion blur you desire in your footage. This package includes a protective filter case, a 6-pack of CPL, ND8, ND16, ND32, ND64, and ND128 filters, and a lens cleaning cloth for your convenience. What we like. Get a comprehensive set of 6 filters for all your needs, including CPL, featuring HD optical glass with advanced nano coating for superior image quality. If you're looking for a lightweight and versatile filter solution with excellent optical performance, consider this set. What people say. The filters are easy to install and remove, snapping on securely without any fuss. The ND filters effectively reduce shutter speed, allowing for smoother cinematic footage in bright conditions. The set includes a good range of ND filters, ND4, ND8, ND16, ND32, suitable for various lighting scenarios. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.